Russia's bombarding Ukraine with missiles. According to local sources, the capital, Kyiv, was hit by at least 14 Russian missiles early this morning, in the most prolonged such onslaught in months. A 9-story building in the city was hit, killing at least one person and injuring numerous more. Among those injured was a 7-year-old child who was rescued from the wreckage. One of Russia's missiles fell on an empty kindergarten playground. The strikes, according to Kyiv Mayor Vilaliy Klitschko, were an attempt by Moscow to intimidate Ukraine. According to local sources, one person was killed and 5 others were injured when Russian missiles attacked the central Cherkasy region. Mortar fire in the northeastern Sumy region injured one person. There were also midnight attacks in the neighboring Kharkiv area, where officials claim more than 4,000 dwellings have been damaged since the war began. According to state media, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu reviewed soldiers participating in what Moscow calls a special military operation.